Hey everyone, my name is Jeff Batt and welcome to this course on JavaScript Arrays and Collections. I am the founder and head trainer at Learning Dojo. Do you understand the basics of arrays but you want to know where to go next? Or are you looking for ways to better store and to work with data inside of your web apps? ECMAScript 6 has introduced some new and exciting ways to work with arrays and data collections, and we'll be covering what you need to know in this course. In this course, we'll walk through some hands-on examples of how to work with data collections, typed arrays, and advanced array methods using ECMAScript 6. Some of the major topics that we'll include in this course are making arrays more functional with some advanced methods, working with new data collections introduced in ECMAScript 6, which include sets that give you the ability to store unique values, and maps that store data using key and value pairs. And finally, typed arrays, which allow you to work directly with binary data for faster performance and processing. By the end of this course, you'll know how to work with arrays, typed arrays, and how to store unique data with sets and key value pair data using maps. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with the basics of JavaScript, including working with arrays. I hope you'll join me in this journey to learn array and collections with this JavaScript Array and Collections course at Pluralsight.